Da 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 da. Hi, how you doing? It's nice to be here in Rome, Minnesota. It's very exciting. Hello, hello, hello. You look at that. What is it? What's up with that guy? Get him out of here. So, hey, check the radio. We get Garrison Keillor on this thing. Italian Garrison. Garrisano. Keillaro. It's not here. It's analog. It's all analog. Tell no one. Shh. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Hey, how's it going? I don't know him. I've never seen him before. What? Shh. I don't. Does it feel normal? No. Does it look normal? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Enjoy your trip through the Minnesota Italian countryside.